Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your Vivo Y53 and opening settings. This is fast. Tap Display and Brightness. Some models label it Display. Once there, scan for font size and style. That single option controls text scale across apps. You're beginning the only supported system-level change. Tap the font size entry now so you can preview and adjust. This method changes text everywhere, which keeps consistency and avoids app-by-app tweaks. Don't go to third-party launchers yet. Stick with system. You'll see a slider and a live preview area. Drag the slider slowly to make text bigger or smaller. The preview updates immediately, so make sure notifications, settings, and app labels remain readable. Once you find a comfortable balance, tap Apply or simply back out to save. Some builds auto-apply. If text wraps oddly, move the slider back one notch. Readability beats maximum size. Remember why. System font size affects notifications, menus, and many apps, so test a few common screens. After adjusting, verify the change across your key apps, messages, browser, and home screen icons. If layouts break or buttons overlap, reduce the font one step or return to default. That fixes most issues. If you need larger scaling beyond font size, go to Settings Accessibility Display Size. This changes UI element scale. If nothing applies, restart the phone. Some system UI components refresh only after reboot. That single troubleshooting tip, revert one step, resolves almost every display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.